Well, I joined this program so that I would have these skills when I am an adult and I am on my own.
We get to use pretty state-of-the-art stuff like the tiger saw, which helps you get exact measurements and stuff.
We're learning how to frame a door and a window and build out a leveled floor.
And you eventually build a floor, and then you build some walls, and you put the walls up, and it's just really cool to see it all come together.
Knowledge that you can take right into the workforce would be, number one is communication. One thing that we're learning here is how to talk and communicate and say, hey, I need this, or hey, this is what we're gonna do, this is how we're gonna do it.
I think I've learned like responsibility, being here on time, like how you would do in like a job. Work ethic, being nice to one another, there for your teammates.
I think it's gonna help me by having like actual experience. I should be able to get a job easier and know what to do on the job site.
I would recommend this to other students so that you can get the skills, and also it's really fun to know all this stuff instead of it being some boring class where you just sit and learn. This is very fun.